Welcome to JVR Industries. Today we're going to cover zipper chamber vacuum pouches, what exactly they are, how they function, all that good stuff that you guys have been requesting personally. And I'm going to go over how to load it, what's the benefits of it, how you can use it, all that good stuff. So stay tuned and we'll go over all that for you guys. So we're going to go over three things regarding your zipper vac pouch. One being general use, talk about our inventory and selection that we have, and then we're going to talk about the design behind it. So we'll go over all three of those. That way you guys can totally understand how these function and all that jazz. So let's start off with general use. So very much like our standard vac pouch, chamber vacuum pouches, these are a perfect blend of polyethylene and nylon. They're simple and powerful storage. This blend creates the opportunity to have extremely low oxygenation rates, great moisture barrier, all that good stuff that you get with your standard chamber vacuum pouch. It's also pretty puncture resistant. We typically, in the 100 packs, sell those 3 mil, which is perfect for standard use and all that stuff. So that actually brings me into the next subject, which is our inventory and our selection and what you can choose as far as zipper chamber vacuum pouches go. So we have a huge selection of inventory from, VacPouch, VacShrink, VacFlex, and so forth, right? Tons of selection. But as far as zipper chamber vacuum pouches, we have quite a wide selection. Not as wide as our standard vac pouch, but pretty wide. So we have 100 packs and we have cases. So if you're looking for a 100 pack, we have limited sizes currently. Eventually that might expand. And so if you're looking for a different size that we currently don't provide in the 100 pack, check out buying cases, because when you buy in bulk, you save money. So that's definitely the way to go. We also carry 3 to 5 mil on these pouches, so you get the full range. We don't carry as much 5 mil and 4 mil. It's typically mostly 3 mil, so something to bear in mind. But usually people are using this for snack sticks, jerky, all that good stuff that's not as harsh on the pouch. So chances are you're not going to need an extremely thick zipper chamber vacuum pouch for puncture resistance on something as soft or less aggressive on the material. So lastly, we're going to go over the intuitive design of the zipper vac pouch. So there's a base load. You just fill the bottom, throw your snack sticks in there, your jerky, whatever it may be, seal it off and vacuum it, rotate it. There's a nice laminated pouch, so when you tear at the tear notch, it's a nice clean tear. And then a nice zipper to reseal it if you plan on enjoying this later time in the week. The other nice thing is, if you're storing this in a marketplace or something and you want to hang it up on a shelving, definitely check that out. There's a hang hole on here. But yeah, that basically covers the intuitive design behind the zipper vac pouch. Thanks again for tuning in with JVR Industries. Feel free to check out the rest of our VacSupplies line that covers all of VacPouch, VacGuard, VacShrink, and so forth. We cover anything from edge suction and external vacuum sealers all the way up to commercial grade thermoformers. So check that out. We have the best pricings in the Northeast, and we have a huge selection of stock. So we have a large variety in everything that we carry. So feel free to reach out to us. If you have any questions, you can call us at 716-206-2500. Or if you want, just simply leave a comment or question below and we'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Once again, thank you for choosing JVR Industries. Feel free to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified on any future videos. You guys have a great one.